Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, guys. Builder.io is a powerful no-code visual development platform that's transforming app and website creation in 2025. In this guide, I will show you how to use this service to build a unique app with its AI-powered tools and drag-and-drop interface. So guys, of course, you need to start by visiting the website itself. You need to sign up for a free account by using your email or GitHub. Once logged in, create a new space for your project. Choose frameworks like React or Next.js for flexibility. Also, guys, you need to install Builder DevTools. Don't forget about that in your terminal to integrate with your app, as shown in their docs. This links to your codebase for seamless editing. So in Builder's dashboard, select Create. You can also use this visual copilot, as you can see, to build. What should we build? So you just enter the prompt, and start building. Use the drag and drop visual editor to add elements like text, images, or buttons. You can also import Figma designs or use AI to generate layouts by typing prompts like create a homepage hero. For example, let us type that in. All right, as you can see now, I am taken to this page where all the magic is happening. So guys, you can register custom components from your codebase via the Components tab to keep designs on brand. I built a landing page in 20 minutes this way. So preview your app across devices in the editor's responsive view. Use Builder's analytics to track clicks and impressions, and A/B test variations for better conversions. Click Publish to push content live via APIs or merge generated code into your app. So as you can see, you can just press on Share and basically share your project. And if content doesn't load, ensure your Builder component matches the page model, as noted in Builder's troubleshooting guide. So that's how to use Builder.io to create unique apps, set up, build visually, publish, and scale. Guys, build something cool? Share below, like and subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech tutorials. See you next time.